Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be working on my 2019 Kia Rio, and I'm getting a check engine code, which you can see there. It's P04E0. So basically what I read online and everything, I had the same issue last year, but once I got warmed up it went away. So it's saying that the canister purge is stuck, so I decided to get a new one and put it in. So basically the canister purge is this one right here. So I got the brand new one. That is the original part number is 289103L000, and this is from Kia. Okay, so this is the original part. This is the original part. So I'm gonna connect it. So you can see here, you have the part, you have your sensor, you have two holes, and basically this is a gas thing, an evap problem. So I'm gonna change it out. I guess it's going bad. This is the second time that the check engine went out. So I already brought it. So let's put it in. Okay. Okay. So to get started and everything, you have your little plug on top. You have to take the plug off, and then we got to work on these hoses, and the part should come off. A little tough right here because it does have like a bushing type of stuff. So let's get started. So the plug, you have a little button on top. Hear it click, that comes off. So that's already out. So now we're gonna get some pliers, take this hose off, bring these little clamps down. That's very hard. So let's try to take the bottom one off. Bottom one off. Let's get this out. It's a little bushy. Okay, that's off. Wow. Maybe by twisting it with the pliers, I can get it out. You can see it's very tight fit. It's coming out. Okay, so I got it out. So now I do the bottom one, but now I got a chance I can twist it. Okay, check the clamp again. Bring the clamp a little downer. Okay, there you go. So basically, I got this one out. It says that it's closed. You can see all the wires, they all stay right there. So just everything is clicking, plug and play, whatever you want to say. So everything is plug and play. So before I do anything, I like to compare both. You can see the bottom's a little different, but everything else is the same. It is a 5.0. Same thing. Okay, so let's put the new one in. It will be basically the same exact thing you have to do. So I'm gonna start off at the bottom, then work my way up. So make sure I grab the right one. Put it in the same way. So the bracket was just this way, the plug is that way. So I'm gonna slide it in here. Okay, make sure it's all the way down. Slide this one in. And final, push it into the, just like that. Okay, put your plug in. It's a very quick, easy job. And now bring your brackets up, your little clamps. Bring it all the way up. And the last one, same thing, make sure it's all lined up and bring it up. So if you're thinking, I am not a mechanic, believe me, I am not a mechanic. But I see that the job was pretty easy, so I decided to do it myself. But that is exactly how you change the canister. It's not hard at all. It's not rocket science. I did it. You can say now I did it, what, 10 minutes. The only thing that was a little tough getting the holes out, but once I pliered it and got it out, it was pretty easy. So the job itself is not hard. You know, I don't know how much the dealer would have charged, but the part itself was about $45, something like that. So I took the chance and put it in. So now turn it on. I probably got to drive it a little bit to make sure that the light does not come on. But otherwise, it is changed. Original part. I did not buy aftermarket part. I went original just because it's a plug. And when it's a sensor, it's better going original because these AutoZone and stuff like that, they sell it, but it's not as good as the original. And when you buy the original, it's a few dollars more, so you might as well go original. So it's all set. So now I turn it on and wait at the engine light goes away, or I can reset it, but I will see what I do. But that's the job. Fast and easy, everything is plug and play. Awesome.